Hi Narissa, how you doing? Got your email, and yeah, we can certainly help you, or I can help you a little bit more set up your email now. So the settings that I've given you here, we just need to get those into. You set a Mac, so that's good because they are quite simple to set up. So you can't see the window, but just outside of it, so very top left of your screen, the Apple menu up the top, just go to System Preferences, and I'll just bring that into the screen, and then go Internet Accounts, and then add another account, and Mail account. So in here, once you've done that, just put your name. So I'm just going to set this up now, and then I'll delete it at the end. And the password is capital S, so summer 12 exclamation mark, and then sign in with those details. So now that it's done that, we then, so the username, I'm just going to copy and then paste into there, and the settings for the incoming and outgoing mail server. Spell that right, didn't I? Nope. No. That's right. Okay. And then paste, and then sign in. And as you can see, it's verified, and well, you can have notes if you want. Doesn't really matter. But the main one that you want is mail. So then click on Done. And that's it. You've got your email account added. So if I've actually got a lot of email accounts here, and you can see Narissa Harrison there has 7 emails in it already. So once you've created your email account, you'll see all of the emails here in Mac Mail. That's essentially it. Let me know. Well, let me know how you go with it. Should be straightforward. But if you have any issues, yeah, certainly reach out and let me know, and we'll take it another step further. Okay, good to talk to you, and have a great weekend. See ya. Bye.